Hi everyone, my name is Ovin Navaratna, a student ID 2243499085, and this is the video of me executing my Jenkins plus GitHub um, credit task. So I have provided a link with the GitHub repository in my submission, and I have also submitted the Jenkins file, which will be loaded onto this Jenkins pipeline. So let's start the build. As you can see, a build has been scheduled. Okay, it has been completed. Uh, let's go to the pipeline overview. As you can see, there's a start, then it checks out the SCM and starts out the build. And as per the given requirements, I have divided the code into stages in which it has been executed successfully, as seen here. Now let's go to the console output. As you can see, it starts off over here with an echo message saying building code using Maven, testing using robot framework, analyzing using find bugs, and scanning using Probly. And then for the post stage, I have coded to send I have set up to send a mail to my personal email address over here. However, as you can see, not sent to following valid address. Now, the reason behind this is because of a um, invalid credentials error that comes, and I researched some reasons as to why this could happen, as I've set up the 465 port number for the smtp.gmail.com SMTP server, and I've also used the correct logins and the correct attachments as well. It turns out it's because new emails come with two-factor authentication. So during the login phase, which I will I will show you later on, um, there seems to be an error where when Jenkins is trying to log into the specified email address, which is going to use to send to my personal email address over here, uh, there's an error where two-factor authentication cannot be accomplished, which causes the mail to be rejected. And as you can see, it happens over here as well after running integration tests on the AWS EC2 server. The deployment is successful. However, the email is not sent. Let me show you. Okay, I hope you can see this. Right. So it's the smtp.gmail.com server with the default suffix of @gmail.com. And I've used this dummy email, which I created with its password so that Jenkins can use it to send me the reports. Uh, as you can see here, I've used 465, which is the port used when you use the SSL uh, secure authentication and secure encryption. And here is the test email error where it says username and password are not accepted. The reason behind this is because of two-factor authentication that has been default enabled, and I am unable to deactivate it due to Google's policies. However, if the two-factor authentication was able to be disabled, um, the email would be sent successfully. And yes, that is the end of my presentation. Let me show you what the default subject and everything was. So the subject would have been the project name, build number, and the build status, whether it was successful or not. And the content would be build number, build status, and then the check console output build URL and the build log, which would be attached. Uh, Thank you for looking into my presentation. Hope you have a great day.